Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you how to remove SIM card from Samsung S22. To remove a SIM card from our phone, we are going to need this little thing, a metal wire pin key. To extract our SIM card, as you can see at the bottom of the phone, we have SIM tray. So we need to insert a pin key here, push it a little bit until our SIM tray will be able to go out, and here we have our card, and we can insert it back again, push it all the way up, all the way in, so it will fit as it was before. And that's it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.